Last 5 seconds. Ready? Start. Heard Shri Rahul Shri Pat Learned Senior Counsel assisted by Shri Ishir Shri Pat Learned Counsels for the defendant appellant and Shri Ashutosh Shri Vastava and Shri Prashant Kumar Tripathi. Learned counsels for the plaintiff's respondent and also peruse the lower court record. This second appeal has been preferred against the judgment and decree dated 17/9/1999 passed by 3rd Additional District Judge Banda in Civil Appeal number 17 of 1998, Dashrath Singh and another versus Gayadeen and another confirming the judgment and decree dated 19 March 1998 passed by Civil Judge Senior Division Banda in original suit number 34 of 1992. The appellant's plaintiff's case is that he is suffering from unsoundness of mind and not in a position to decide about protection of his rights nor has capacity for the same. Plaintiff has got addicted to liquor and opium for last 6 months. He has become mentally disturbed. Surajdeen is the elder brother of plaintiff Gayadeen and he looks after him and also protects his interests. Therefore, plaintiff has appointed him as his general power of attorney holder. The interests of Gayadeen and Surajdeen are different. Gayadeen was schizophrenic from childhood and its symptoms increased with the age. Therefore, he could not be married to any girl. Gayadeen is not able to read, write or understand anything. The defendant number 1, Dashrath Singh, is providing means of addiction for at least 4 to 5 years to the plaintiff. The defendants have got all the sale deeds dated 4/7/1992 fraudulently executed from the plaintiff regarding his land in their favor, which is mentioned in Schedule A, B and Schedule C of the plaint. The above sale deeds are without payment of any sale consideration. The market value of the property is in dispute not less than rupees 10 lakhs when it has been sold for an amount of rupees 2 lakhs. Hence, sale deeds deserve to be cancelled. The defendant numbers 1 and 2 have got the sale deeds executed fraudulently in favor of defendant number 3 when they have no possession over the property. The construction over the land in dispute belongs to the plaintiff and his brother Surajdeen. Over the disputed land, shops have been constructed by Surajdeen and he has let them out on rent. Surajdeen realized the rent on the aforesaid shops which are part of joint Hindu family. Hence, the suit was instituted praying for cancellation of 2 sale deeds dated 4/7/1992 in favor of defendant numbers 1 and 2. Defendant numbers 1 and 2 filed their written statements denying the plaint averments. They stated that the plaintiff is a widower and he has no child. Surajdeen is elder brother of plaintiff Gayadeen and he has been regularly torturing and exploiting the plaintiff. He has executed number of sale deeds with the plaintiff and usurped entire money. Being fed up of Surajdeen, plaintiff Gayadeen took loans and could not repay them and was in trouble. He is a person of sound mind and has executed sale deeds after fully understanding its contents. The defendant numbers 1 and 2 have paid sale consideration to him. Surajdeen has instituted the suit for ulterior motives. Gayadeen is not addicted to liquor and opium. The defendants filed additional written statement stating that Gayadeen was never a schizophrenic nor mentally unsound person. Defendant number 3, Bitola Devi, also filed her written statement claiming herself to be bona fide purchaser of the property for value. On the basis of the pleading of the parties, the trial court framed the following issues: whether the sale deed dated 4/7/1992 executed by plaintiff Gayadeen in favor of defendants and duly registered before Sub Registrar Banda at serial number 8.3 is liable to be cancelled on the basis of the plaint averments. Whether the sale deed dated 4/7/1992 executed by plaintiff Gayadeen in favor of defendants and duly registered before Sub-Registrar Banda, serial number 1682, is liable to be cancelled on the basis of the plaint averments. Whether Surajdeen is the next friend of plaintiff Gayadeen. If no, then its effect. Whether the suit is barred by the principle of acquiescence and estoppel. The plaintiff produced 4 witnesses, namely PW1 Surajdeen, PW2 Bhagwan Deen, PW3 Raja Bhaiya, PW4 Dr. Prashad, medical officer in charge, Primary Health Center Bisanda, and PW5 Dr. Ashok, medical officer, District Hospital Jhansi. The defendants produced DW1 Dasrath Singh, DW2 Jayaprakash, DW3 Jageshwar, and DW4 Ramchandra, son of Dashrath Singh. Plaintiff produced the copy of sale deeds dated 4 July 1992, medical certificates of Gayadeen dated 8/6/1992 and 24/7/1992. Stop.